I'm Miya. Welcome to Autom, where the manufacturer with a professional R&D team. Today, I'm going to introduce you this small granule automatic vertical packaging machine behind me. The model number of this machine is ATM-320C, economical, multifunctional, and easy to operate. This machine can make multiple sealing back types: pillar seal, three-side seal, four-side seal, gusset seal, pyramid seal. Optional equipment can be date coding device, nitrogen gas device, hole punching device, gusset device, continuous back device. The packing range 5 to 500 grams products. The frame of this machine is made of stainless steel, which is durable and clean. All the contact part of this machine is 304 stainless steel, which meets the hygienic standard of 4QS. This machine is suitable for packing peanuts, beans, granule candy, pet food, rice, sugar, corns, detergent powder, seeds, and other kinds of solid granules. Look at this part. It is the thin roll device. It is easy to install thin roll. We can use laminated film on this machine, like this color film and clear film. Look at this part. It is color code sensor. It can read the color code on the roll film automatically to make the bag length. Here is the finished bag. Here is the date printer. It can print production date, expire date, batch number. Let's take a look at the volumetric cup filler. This cup filler can do to automatically measurements and fill the granule products. We designed the volume of the cup specification according to your product's target weight. We have two types of volume cup device between the large particles and the fine particles. It is made of full grade 304 stainless steel. It is the back former made of 304 stainless steel. The packaging film is pulled into the back former by friction. The packaging is simple and beautiful, with a humanized design. Different bag making equipment can be replaced according to different bag widths. One machine can pack bags of various widths. Here is the vertical sealing device to seal this side. The horizontal sealing device to seal this side. Color mark accurate positioning system avoids sticking blades and wasting materials. Here is a smart PLC touchscreen control panel, convenient, quick, and easy to understand. The touchscreen can store the precision packaging parameters of many different products. Also, it can be used at any time when changing products. Mechanical fault display system can help troubleshooting and reduce manual operation. It is PID independent temperature control system. The left one for the vertical sealing device, another one for the horizontal sealing device. Independent temperature control system keeps accurate temperature, ensures sealing beautiful and smooth. Here are all buttons for the main packing machine. The emergency stop one and the main power button. Here is electrical box of the main packing machine. All component parts are the government brand parts, which is guaranteed and durable. Let's show you how this machine works. If you want to know more about our intelligent packing machines, just find us at this website or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye.